So you're thinking of a business to start recently and nothing is coming into your mind. Let me tell you, you can start this banana bread business and it's going to sell so well. So let me show you how to make the simplest banana bread. Now in a bowl, you're going to be adding some sugar. You need 200 grams of sugar, 5 medium sized egg, each should weigh at least 50 grams. Then you add half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Then you combine everything just as you see me do in the video. So once you're done combining this, you're going to set this aside. Then get your banana and mash it. Here you need 260 grams of banana. So when you weigh every banana that is in this plate, it's 260 grams. So after mashing the banana, you transfer it into the mixture you've made earlier and then you combine everything very well. Now once you are done doing that, you add 1 tablespoon of your combo flavor, okay? Then you go in with melted margarine. This margarine, you have to weigh it first. So you have 300 grams. You need to weigh out 300 grams of the margarine, then you melt it. After adding the margarine, you go in with your flour. Here you have 480 grams of all-purpose flour that you have sifted. Then combine everything together just as you see in the video. Okay. Now my banana didn't mash so well, but that's not a problem. It's not going to affect anything. It's still going to bake very well. Next, you add in your baking powder, 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. So that's what you need for this recipe. Next, you add in 1.5 cup of liquid milk. You can just dissolve some milk with some water, or you can use evaporated milk, 1.5 cup. Then you combine everything just as you see in the video. Okay, now your batter is almost ready. You go in with 1 teaspoon of white vinegar and combine everything just this way. Now once you are done mixing, transfer into your baking pan, greased baking pan. You have to grease your baking pan with margarine, butter, oil, anything, and make sure you line the bottom of the pan with some baking paper, and then you bake in your preheated oven according to your oven temperature till your banana bread are done. So the banana bread, you can choose to put any toppings or any fillings like nuts, raisins and all that, fruits, anything at all you want is left for you, coconuts, dates and almond and anything. But here I just want to keep it simple and low budget. So here's the banana bread. Thanks for watching and see you in the next.